That taser, you holler, taser, taser, and then pop it.
Fire and hose.
Taser, taser!
Motherfucker.
All right, don't move now, because I got to get them darts out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you took it like a man. You took it like a man.
Oh, fuck. Oh, motherfucker.
Hold still, hold still.
Awesome.
Oh, I bet that feels good.
See where that one hit?
On the belt.
It got him in his belt, but it still affected him.
Yeah, fuck it did.
That's gonna make me hell to come out that belt.
Oh.
Hold still.
That is awesome. That is awesome. I love it.
You did good. Let's do that again.
Turn around.
It didn't go.
Turn around.
It did. I don't think it made contact with his skin, but it went through the belt enough. See here, you got a little bit of bleeding here.
Oh yeah, who's next?